guys, it's your girl Maya Trees, and I'm back in the cut with another freaking video for you guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I was just gonna let this record and I'll talk in the video, which I did, but I was like, I don't like it, so I'm gonna talk over it. But welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back. Welcome if you're new, you know the vibes. It's your girl Maya Trees, and I have an install video for you guys today. And I'm gonna show y'all what's in the bag, what's the goodies, what's the tea, what's in the bag, guys. Let's see. So we gonna skip this part because your girl just talking. I don't even know what I was talking about, but I need to shut up. But we gonna skip this part. Okay, finally, because so basically this is the wig that I got on right now. This is a 13 by 4 22-inch deep wave wig. I think this was transparent lace. I don't know. I think it was. But let me tell you guys, this hair was looking good. But we're gonna open the bag. They gave me a wig cap. I already used some. So yeah, those are my wig caps. I usually use the ones that I got. It came with makeup brushes and stuff like that. I don't know if I'm gonna use those, but it came with nails. Keep going, girl. Let's go. The edge brush and the elastic band and a bow. And that's the little bag it came in. It also came in like a pouch. But yeah, I'll be right back. So the last part, I told y'all I'll be back. I had told y'all that I was going to figure out how to put my hair down because I wasn't doing a full breakdown. That's way too much. So I ended up doing the ball cap, but I didn't finish it. So right now I did my bald cap. I'm getting ready to cut it and put the makeup on it. I don't remember if I recorded this part or if I just skipped right to it. But y'all finna see. Y'all finna see how we gonna turn this into a bad bitch. You feel me? A bad bitch. I'm just playing, y'all. Let's go. I honestly don't know what I was talking about right here. This is why you should pay attention to what you're really saying in your videos. I use boho and active on my hair when I do my installs, or I use the boho extreme. Did I use it for this install? No, I did not. I used the spray. And that's exactly what I was explaining to y'all. If y'all listen. No, I'm just playing. But I don't know why I keep talking. I should just went straight to the point because it's too much. It's too much. But yes, I'm getting ready to cut it. As you guys can see, I had learned this new method that I seen on TikTok where they like cut the inside and then have that other part. I don't know. Y'all finna see though. Just wait.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking like
Y'all see how I did that? Period. Per. But yes, that's a method that I seen on TikTok how they do it. I wasn't doing my stuff like that. I usually just cut it and leave it like that because who's gonna do all that? But I feel like I like this way better because it does make the bald cap stay on longer. Because once you put your wig on, sometimes the bald cap starts to live and it lives under the install. So it could be days after or a day after, and the cap is up. How? It's supposed to be glued down. But yeah, I like this way better. It stays down. So if you wanted to take that wig off that you did the first install with, and put another wig on, you wouldn't have to redo a bald cap because it's not going to be lifted when you take it off. Okay? Period. So I advise you guys to try it that way instead of doing it another way. Girl, yes, get them sides. I see you. Get them sides. But yes, y'all. Please make sure you cut all the surrounding edges and stuff like that. Don't leave all those open spots on your bald cap on the ends, because that's gonna end up showing. But like, cut those little lifting pieces, the pieces that are lifting at the top, cut them to the edges, to the part where it's glued down all the way. But right now, I blow drying some more because it was lifting up, so I had to fix that. Please make sure it's not lifted up. That's gonna help you. So yeah, I was blow drying. Okay, bitch, hurry up and blow dry that shit. Come on now, got shit to do. We got shit to do. Come on. But now I'm cutting it some more because I probably seen some more parts that were lifting up. But we're good. We're good now. Blow dry that shit some more. Go ahead, sis. Do your thing. Okay, girl, that's enough blow drying. You don't even need that much blow drying. Golly. It's down, sis. It's down.
Ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? I got the plug, I made the call for me.
I was really confused. I didn't know whether or not this color was gonna show, cause this was like a cream foundation, not the powder that I usually use. But I was like, well, I like it better. It's darker. So yeah, this is the part when I'm putting on the makeup to kind of match the, wig or the skin tone of my color. And I'm a darker person, so yeah. And this is, you're gonna put makeup all around your bald cap. Not all around, you don't gotta put it in the back. But in the front, yes. Put it throughout the whole front because you don't know where you're gonna part. It could be a middle part, side part, all of that. But you wanted the parts to match your skin color when you're parting. I thought I was doing a good job, y'all. I look like a bald-headed hoe. My skin looks horrible. Horrible. But, yes. And if you feel like you need more makeup, put some more makeup on there. But don't put too much, because then it just looks all weird and stuff. Y'all know that TikTok where it be like, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Is you laughing? I don't know what's wrong with me. But you, on this part, you should find like a cotton swab or anything that can get the surrounding makeup off the alcohol. I would have rather used a Q-tip than use what I use. Because, I don't know. Because I feel like the Q-tip is better. But yes, I rubbed off the surrounding makeup on the edges because when you do glue, especially when you're using the actual lace bond glue, the white glue, it starts to show when you put it down. But I didn't use that glue. But just continue to wipe off the excess makeup around so it doesn't mess up your install. Okay, bitch, keep going. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and speed up this process because this video was not gonna be 40-some minutes long. So yes, I'm re-hot combing the wig right now because I had already bleached the knots and, you know, did all that to it and plucked it. When I tell you I plucked it so much, I plucked that wig so much. Like, it was giving, it should have been giving scalp. It was giving scalp before I even put that shit on. But right now, I was adding the makeup to it. The same color makeup, guys. The same color makeup that I put on my bald cap. It's what I put on the wig. Please make sure you do that because we don't want your wig coming out a different color. And this wig was definitely looking like it was transparent. I was like, okay, bitch. Okay. Period. Don't play with me. This was me. I was gonna outline it because I had to cut the sides of it because that was gonna be excess hair. It was gonna go over my ear. And you don't want that. So make sure you do cut the sides off. Oh my gosh, oh look at that lace. It was giving. It was giving. Let me tell you, I burnt myself 1,000 times with that hot comb though. Yeah, you look good, sis. And the wig ain't even on. It looked good. But yeah, I had a little bit more makeup to it. So this is the part where I'm finna glue it down, glue it out. I use Evan lace spray, the red can. And this is like me putting on layers, blow dry it, and I blow dry it on hot but on low. If y'all blow dry, you have that type of setting. I don't know if all blow dryers have it, but blow dry it on hot but on low. You don't want that shit on hot. But this is me. I'm adding another layer. I did like a few layers, 3 or 4 layers. And the only reason why I don't use the glue as much as I use the spray is because it's hot outside, and when you be sweating, that glue be lifting the wig up, and it's too much. Way too much. So it's much better using the spray than using the glue right now. I'll probably use the glue again when it goes back to being cold outside. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I was looking for my elastic band, and my wig was starting to come out. I was like, no, I need the elastic band. Okay, I found it. And if y'all don't have one, invest in one. But the wig company did send me one, but I already had one. But I just decided to use theirs because it was already right there. But please invest in one. They're cheap. If you don't have one or don't feel like getting one, you can use a scarf. You need one though. And I just ended up hot combing it too much. This is me starting to part it to see how it's gonna look, kind of fixing and stuff, making sure it looks good when I part it. Yes. I feel like a real hairstylist. Somebody else asked me to do your hair, not doing it. Not doing it. And get you some wax stick. Get your wax stick. My wax stick was almost gone. I couldn't even use it, so I just stopped doing it. I was like, you know what, I'm getting it. But please do invest in the wax stick. It helps that. It helps your flatter install. Now we getting ready to cut couldn't tell from the camera where the lace was showing, but it wasn't showing like in my opinion, like the mirror, because I wasn't looking straight ahead in the mirror. I had a smaller mirror that was like right there, so I was looking into that one because it was closer. But to me, you couldn't really tell. But I just started cutting off more lace to get a little closer. Don't cut off too much, because if you want to ever reinstall a wig, you want to have your lace still there, sis. But yeah. Hot combed it some more, and I also added some more lace spray, and then I put the elastic band back on it. So I'm parting my part, period. Like, yes, I parted my part right in the middle, which I usually don't. And I couldn't figure out whether I wanted to do a middle part or a side part. I don't know. I just put the middle part. I just felt like this was giving. Right now, I'm pulling out the edges on how I want to do them. I be trying to be fancy and do my edges like how these hairstylists or other people when they do their wigs. I did it on one side, but then I couldn't do it on the other. But bitch, we ain't perfect. We gonna do the way we gonna do it. Okay, bitch. Period. Taking off the elastic band. Ooh, girl. Don't play with you. When you're cutting your edges, do it in like a slanted way. And y'all finna see that. I hope I showed y'all that. Let me see. Girl, what you looking for? What am I looking for? I think I was looking for my thing to pluck my edges, but I ended up finding it. It was definitely on my thing. Curl them edges downward. I learned that. I was so proud of myself too. I was like, yes, good job. You remember? Oh shit, it's raining. Yes, girl. Pluck them edges. Y'all, if y'all can hear the rain in the back, don't mind this. Y'all know it'll be raining. It raining hard. It be raining hard over here. Just don't know. But please, guys, I was not gonna struggle with that, so I just did it like that. But curl downward. There you go, sis. Yeah. Period. And I use the freeze spray to do these edges. Y'all heard that rain? My bad, guys. My bad. But yes, I used this freeze spray to do my edges. They was not coming in how I wanted, and they were not staying down. So I just did added a little the edge control got to be glue styling gel stuff. That's what I added on there because it was not staying down. But this lace was definitely giving though. Y'all see that? Period. And I feel like this was probably the best install by far that I've ever did. Like because I never plucked my wigs before. Ever. Like I always bleached the knots and stuff, but I never plucked it. Like, but when I tell y'all I plucked that wig, it came out with so much hair, and if you don't, then you ain't plucking right. But I felt so good doing this. I was like, yes, bitch, you're finally learning how to do some shit. But I'm gonna put the elastic elastic band back on to keep my edges down so I can style it and do this part how I want. I ended up just going off camera doing it because I didn't want it to record for that long. It had already recorded like for 40 minutes or something, but y'all see, we're lace, period. And this was like the first time I had ever did the little makeup thing with my part where you put the makeup on your part and then spray the black spray. I was like, what, bitch? What? You doing your thing, sis. But y'all, look at this. Insta. Don't look at that part. Don't look at that. But look at this Insta. It was giving very much professional. Like, not one of them. Period. Honestly though, what was I even saying right here on this part? I was probably explaining the same shit I'm talking about now, which was my part. But yes, y'all, I love this wig. I am in love. I love curly hair. Y'all need to invest in a spray bottle. I got mine from a old beauty supply store I used to work at in McDonald's, and they had those, and I was like, I'm gonna get me one before I leave this job. Period. But yes, and I like the hair when it's more like kind of fluffy. I don't really like the wet look sometimes. I like it wet, but I like it, you feel me? Like me. No, I'm just playing. But yes, invest in a spray bottle for real. If you don't, there are smaller versions that you can invest in. They might be better. They're cheaper. They're like 99 cents, 49 cents, depending on where you go. I'm not sure. But invest in it, like, because if you go somewhere you need a spray bottle, you want your hair to get more wet because it gets dry fast. So invest in one. I would invest in a smaller one for that. But I have both. But I use my bigger bottle for when I'm at home. But if y'all feeling this hair, y'all should definitely go get this and go to the company that I went to. The link is gonna be in the description box below. And I definitely got this wig for free. So if you want to know how I did that, please go on my TikTok at Maya Latrice. That's MYAALATRESE. Okay? Period. Just know I'm coming in the video. So, and I will be posting on TikTok, so make sure you go in there and look for the wig. And probably in the tag, so make sure you guys go get you guys a free wig. Because there's companies that will text you and tell you, sometimes you have to pay full first, or sometimes you pay half and they pay the other half and they get the other half after you do it. So, this is trying to work. I hope you guys like it. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video, guys.